Yours was a twisted, blindsided highway, no matter which road you took then. Oh, you set up your place in my thoughts, moved in and made my thinking crowded. Now we're out in the back with the barking dogs, my heart the red sun, your heart the moon clouded. Oh, I could go crazy on a night like tonight. Summer's beginning to give up her fight, and every thought's a possibility. Voices are heard, but nothing is seen. Why do you spend this time with me? Maybe an equal mystery. So what is love then? Is it dictated or chosen? Does it sing like the hymns of 1,000 years, or is it just pop emotion? And if it ever was there and it left, does that mean it was never true? And to exist, it must elude. Is that why I think these things of you? I could go crazy on a night like tonight. Summer's beginning to give up her fight, and every thought's a possibility. Voices are heard, but nothing is seen. Why do you spend this time with me? Maybe an equal mystery. But you like the taste of danger. It shines like sugar on your lips. You like to stand in the line of fire just to show you can shoot straight from your hip. There must be 1,000 things you would die for. I can hardly think of two. Not everything is better spoken aloud, not when I'm talking to you. Oh, the pirate gets the ship and the girl tonight, breaks a bottle to christen her. She's basking in the exploits of her thief. She's a very good listener. Maybe that's all that we need, is to meet in the middle of impossibility. We're standing at opposite poles, equal partners in a mystery. We're standing at opposite poles, equal partners.